Alright, hello everyone. I know it's been a while since I uploaded like Actually Me, and a couple things before I start. I want y'all to ignore my little dandruff problems getting a little out of control lately, and it has been a problem for like a really long time. Also, this video is simply just like a list of grievances. I'm mainly just talking out of my ass. These are just like problems I have with the current just like the way things are at the moment, and it's just things I hope to hopefully one day see change. Yeah, so I like to start with a question. I want you, or it's not a question, I'll ask the question in a bit. I want you all to think about, if you have a car, depending on like where you live, if it's needed, how much you're paying in car insurance. You got your answer? Is it over $200? Well, that is the average. Over $200 to like $400 a month on average is how much you're paying for like just car insurance, whether you need it or not, like whether you have an accident in like how many years. That's how much you're paying a month, and that's not even like factoring like the hundreds of dollars like a month on gas for the fucking car that could be used for fucking like food or making your life like more comfortable than it could be. Like you could buy like yourself like a new fucking pan to cook, whereas all your pans that you have right now could be corroded, or just like new utensils, new like cleaning products, bathing products, and all that. It's like living a more comfortable life. And for the question, I want you to think about and look at your city. I want you to look at your city and ask yourself, does this city have good, long enough bike paths that are long enough to get me to my destination if I were to have a bike? Or is the public transit fast enough and reliable enough to get me to my destination on time, quicker than if I were to use a car? And the answer I know you're gonna come to is no. No, it is not. It is not. It is not. And what sucks is that the current city layouts that we have are just horrible for us. They are meant to keep us down because everything is so far apart. Everything is so far apart, and like there's no walkable cities. You have to fucking drive to like the grocery store instead of walking to it. You have to drive to a fucking park because you can't walk to the park. Everything is so far. Everywhere you need to be is inaccessible by foot and bike. You have to either have a car or use the really flawed public transit system that's either it will take too long or it doesn't even cover like where you need to be. And my problem is the system in place that has been lobbied for like 4 years by car insurance companies, car companies, lobbying our fucking like government into making it so that having a car is necessary. And while having a car, it is like detrimental to like your fucking pockets because it wastes too much money. You're spending too much money that can be used in making your life more comfortable. The consequences of all this lobbying makes it so that, one, you need a car, but two, if you have a car and it's really hard to afford it, you're fucked. You are fucked. Why? Because one, you need to buy the car. Two, you need to buy car insurance for the car, and I'll get back up to this. 3, you need to buy gas, and 4, maintenance, 5, registration, and all that shit. And my main problem is, not main problem, but one of my problems is car insurance. It's fucking illegal to drive without, damn, I'm in my garage. There's a fly, okay? I'm in my garage. It's not me, I swear, I just showered. Main problem is car insurance. Like, it's illegal to have a car and drive without it. It's illegal to drive without paying over $200 to $400 fucking dollars. You can't, like, it's illegal. Like you can't do shit without paying $200 to $400 a fucking month, because everything, your jobs, the places you want to go to, everything's so fucking far because our cities, our government failed us in creating fucking truly walkable cities that not only would benefit us, would benefit our communities, make us all like together. We'll be hanging out with our neighbors and shit. My main problem is that the system we have right now is just like meant to like uplift the people with the most amount of money and drain the fuck out of the ones that barely even have it. Like, we barely have any money. Yeah, we gotta pay $200 to $400. I'm gonna say like 500, $200 to $400 a month on car insurance. You have to add gas, add maintenance, add registration. That's so much fucking money a month just on car insurance. All because these greedy ass companies want to lobby and make our cities dependent on cars, make everything far as fuck, and like hinder public transportation into being something that's like really viable and really like trustworthy. And it's all fucked up. It's so fucked up. It's so fucked up. I took a trip to San Francisco, and bro, they have it down to perfection. Their public transportation was fucking god. You don't need a car over there. You don't need a car. Not only are all the buses on time, it's all fucking safe. They have so many routes. Like at every corner, there's a fucking public transit route that will take you to where you need to go. And even if you don't, even if it doesn't, it'll take you to another transit route that will. It's so efficient. It's so efficient. You don't need a car there. And if you were to look on the maps, the air there, the air quality is so much more better than like almost all of California. It's like insane. Like you breathe in the difference. You breathe in the difference. And that's like, I wish Los Angeles like locked the fuck in and like at least accomplish half of what San Francisco did. Like, you don't need a car over there. Whereas here, it's so fucking essential because it's so infuriating, and it's not something that like, even if you have a car, you should not be okay with it. You should not be okay with like your public infrastructure failing. Like, even if you have a car, you should be able to like know like, oh, if my car fucks up, at least I know that I have a reliable public transportation that will take care of me when I'm not able to afford driving around this piece of shit anymore. And like wasting like fucking hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars on your car alone. And another thing is, I don't know how bad that was. Another thing is like health insurance. It's so fucking, keep in mind how much you're already paying a month for your car. Now let's factor in like your health insurance. I remember a couple months ago, I tried walking into like a Kaiser, because I've been going to Kaiser like all my life, and I realized like, oh, my mom had like canceled her insurance with them. So I walk in, just do like some like blood work and shit, and they didn't let me. I had to go somewhere else and shit because I didn't know I didn't have insurance. And yeah, so I look it up later, and insurance, I'm so fortunate that I haven't had to like go to I don't have any like conditions, like I'm not sick in any way. I haven't had to like go to the ER and all that. I am so lucky. But all it takes is one bad fucking day where I get into an accident, or I do something to myself, like I drop a fucking knife on me and I'm bleeding. That's all it takes for me to get like financially fucked for like years and years and years. And even if I did have insurance, I'm still gonna have to be paying a lot of the bill that I would be given, because even if you have insurance, you're still expected to pay. And how much are you paying for insurance? Guess what the fuck is like the average. I looked up for me, and it was like 200 for like the minimal plan, like the basic plan. 200 all for something that you don't know if like you might not need. Like, you're paying just for like the off chance that something may happen. And even if you do decide to like cancel it after paying like years and years and years, you'll never see a fucking like penny of that. You will never see a penny of that. But like, you need it, because if you don't have it and something were to happen to you, you're fucked. You're so fucked. You're fucked for years and years and years. And when you do have it, you start to pay like a good lump sum of it. And like, my main problem with these things is that, in my eyes, I feel like they're like little traps. I'd say they're like little traps that are in place just to fuck us over and get as much money out of us as possible. Like, they're meant to like keep us down, and yeah, it might be a little conspiracy, but that's really just how it looks. Like, it's meant to like keep us down. And yeah, these are two of my grievances I have I have many more, such as like, although many millions of people are dependent on food stamps, our government, Trump, is able to send, it was originally like 20 billion, but now it turned into 40 billion to Argentina for some fucking reason. Like, and that essentially like fucked over a bunch of US farmers. So instead of like helping US citizens, like I know people who need food stamps and all that, and instead of like being able to like support US citizens, our own government is not interested whatsoever in us at all. They don't care. Like, they don't care about you. They don't care about you. They don't care about you. I hope over the years, all the brainwashing that the media we consumed while we were younger gets washed over. Being told that communism is bad, socialism is bad. It's really not. It's really not. It's capitalism. That's like genuinely like the worst of the worst. It's meant to keep you down. I hope anyone with a brain is able to realize that socialism is not for you. It's not for you. It's horrible. It's horrible. I have many more grievances. I hope to make more videos where I don't have to hide my whole head because of some dandruff. And yeah, I hope. If you agree, leave a like and whatnot. If you don't, tell me why, and then shut up. Okay? And